Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see about the Cloud Data Proc demo part 3. Today we are going to see. Today we are going to see we are going to create the cluster and we are going to submit a job by using the gcloud command line. So Dataproc, which is a managed Apache Spark and Apache Hadoop service that lets you take advantage of open source data tools for batch processing, querying, streaming, and machine learning. Dataproc automation helps us to create clusters quickly, manage them easily, and save money by turning clusters off when you don't need them. With less time and money spent on administration, you can focus on your jobs and your data. Now we are going to see the demo. Fine. Let me open to that console, Google Cloud Console. So this is the Google Cloud Console. So here I have opened the Google Cloud Console. So now we will go to that activate to Cloud Shell. Activate, just click the activate to Cloud Shell. It is connecting right now. It is provisioning our Google Shell, Cloud Shell. So now it came. Now just enlarging for you. Now I am going to enter a few commands. So now what we are going to do means we are going to set the property. So first gcloud config set dataproc region. Now I am pasting this gcloud config set dataproc / region US central 1. Okay, just enter this one. Now we have successfully updated the property dataproc / region. Next command what we are going to do means we are going to create the clusters. So next what we are going to do means we are going to create the clusters. I have given the link here, friends. So now we are going to create the cluster right now. Go to the console and copy the command from the document. I will put in this document into that description, no need to worry. So gcloud commands, gcloud dataproc clusters create. This is our cluster name, example hyphen cluster, then hyphen zone. So we need to give the zone name US central 1 -b and master master machine type is N1 standard 2. Then master boot disk size we have to give 50 and number of worker nodes 2 and worker node machine type which is N1 standard 2. Then worker boot disk size is 50. Then I have given my project ID composed sun. This is my project ID. So like that you need to modify it as per your your project ID and as per your requirement. You can update the cluster name and zone name, then machine type. Next one is a project ID. So we need to update those things. Just enter this command. Now the clusters will be created. Example hyphen cluster will be created in US central 1 -b zone. So we have given. Actually it is creating now, waiting for cluster operation creation operation. So Cloud Dataproc is a fast, easy to use, fully managed cloud service for running Apache Spark and Apache Hadoop clusters in a simpler, more cost efficient way. Operations that used to take hours or days take seconds or minutes instead. Create Cloud Dataproc clusters quickly and resize them at any time. So you don't have to worry about your data pipelines outgrowing your clusters. This is explanation about the Cloud Dataproc. It is creating now. Let's wait for it, friends. The Dataproc is creating right now. Let's wait for it. Today we are going to use the gcloud command line. Yesterday in our previous video we have used Google Cloud Console. Now we are using gcloud command line tools only, gcloud commands. Same only we are doing, creating a cluster and we are going to submit a job. Next level is submit a job. So to submit a samples, we are going to submit a sample Spark job that calculates a rough value for pi. We are going to run on command. So it has to finish first cluster has to create, then only we need to do the remaining steps. Before that, you should enable the Dataproc API, friends. So before creating this, actually before creating this, we need to enable that API, enable that Cloud Dataproc API. We should enable that Cloud Dataproc we should enable the Dataproc API, then only we should create the cluster. And one steps we need to check it also before creating this. So go to that IAM. Already in my previous video I have explained it when we are doing that when we are creating the cluster by using the console. So here we need to check the members. Here it should be the member ID and computer developer .gsserviceaccount.com. It should be, the name should be compute engine default service account. The role should be editor. Okay, now we have successfully created the Dataproc cluster. You can go to that Dataproc cluster under the big data, then we can see that, friends. So you can go to that big data Dataproc, then you can see whether the cluster has created or not. Just check it, friends, so that we can go to the next step. Yeah, example hyphen cluster, it is in running state only. Then US Central 1 B is a zone, then 2 worker nodes. So it has been created successfully. Done. Next, what we are going to do means we are going to submit a job. So how to submit a job? So we need to use this command, gcloud dataproc jobs submit spark. Okay, just copy this command, and go to that activate the cloud shell. Just enter the command gcloud dataproc jobs submit spark cluster. This is our cluster name, example hyphen cluster, and class is arch. Actually it is coming error. Okay, so I think copy paste error, I guess. So I am copying from here itself. Let's see whether we are getting the output or not. Let me open the documentation. Sorry. So actually let me open that quick start command line, then we can see here. We can copy from here and we can use this. Let's see whether I am getting the output or not. Let's see. Now I am getting, friends. Waiting for job output. I will paste the same here. Okay, I have pasted the same only. You can copy paste this command only. It will work, friends, no need to worry. If it has not worked, please put the error in that commands, then I will try to reply. So now we have updated that command. We are submitting the Spark job. So it is running right now. Let's wait for it. So we are getting the output now. Pi is roughly 3.14. Okay, so we got the output, friends. Pi 3.14. 3.14. Pi is roughly, we have calculated this one. So now we have done with the lab. So if you are seeing the last state is showing as finished. So now we have done with the lab. What we are going to do means, now we are going to delete the cluster first. After that we need to delete the jobs. So that's what we are going to do now. Now we are going to do the same. Okay, fine. So how to do that? I have given the commands here. Just copy paste this command. This is simple only. gcloud data proc clusters delete our cluster name. So it is asking yes or no. The all attached disk will be deleted. We need to give yes, and it will be deleted now. Waiting for the cluster deletion operation. After that we should delete the job also. You can follow these commands, friends. If you are getting any error, you can paste that error in that commands, then I will try to replay. Okay, so it is waiting for cluster deletion operation, waiting on operation projects composed sun. This is our project ID. So successfully we have deleted the cluster. We can check in console also. We can see in the console also. Refresh this page, it will not be. Okay, fine. Then next what we are going to do means we need to delete that delete the jobs also. So for okay, actually we have to replace with the job ID. So what we need to do means we need to replace the job ID. So how to do that? Just go and here we need to select our jobs and the jobs ID. After that, after deleting this, we need to delete the cloud storage bucket also, friends. So now I am putting this job ID here. Enter this, job will be deleted now. Just put yes now. It will be deleted now. Yeah, so it has successfully been deleted. Just refresh it and go to the cloud storage bucket. We need to delete that cloud storage also. And we have done with the lab, friends. So we have successfully done our lab. Thanks a lot, friends. Have a great day. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud Platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye. Yes, done. Done, friends. Bye.